It was announced that the volume of the world pharmaceutical market is $500 billion. According to a study conducted by an organization called IMS Health and published by Forbes magazine, $230 billion of sales are in North America. The fact that drug prices in the USA are incomparably expensive to all countries of the world, including Europe, plays an important role. Best-selling drugs. The two best-selling drugs in the world are cholesterol lowers. Of these drugs, Lipitor's market share, manufactured by Pfizer, is $10.3 billion. $6.8 billion is obtained from the sale of the drug in the USA. The global sales volume of Zocor, which followed and produced by Merck, is $6.1 billion. The share of the drug in the American market is $4.4 billion. The third best-selling drug is Zyprexa, which is used to treat mental illness. This drug, produced by Eli Lilly, is sold worldwide at $4.8 billion and in the USA for $3.2 billion. Other drugs that make it to the top 10, their manufacturers, their market shares in the world, and the USA are as follows: 4 Norvasc, blood pressure reducer, Pfizer, $4.5 billion, $2.2 billion. 5 Procrit, used in the treatment of anemia, Johnson & Johnson, $4 billion, $3.3 billion. 6 Prevacid, ulcer treatment drug, Takeda and Abbott Lab, $4 billion, $4 billion. 7 Nexium, used to treat ulcers, AstraZeneca, $3.8 billion, $3.1 billion. 8 Plavix, blood thinner, Bristol Myers Squibb and Sanofi Syntholabo, $3.7 billion, $2.2 billion. 9 Advair, used to treat asthma, GlaxoSmithKline, $3.7 billion, $2.3 billion. 10 Zoloft, antidepressant, Pfizer, $3.